Good evening, class. This is Andrew here, and I will be showing you guys a little bit about this new cool tool that I've been playing around with called Quizlet. It was on our list of cool tools. It was also recommended to me by Rick Aller, who was my advisor for my capstone, because he thought it would be a neat tool to create assessments for some of my animations I was doing. Quizlet does not just allow you to make quizzes, as the name would imply, but you can also set up little study sets. They got a lot of flashcards and everything. So I've just been kind of poking around and seeing some things, and I thought I'd share them with you so you can get an idea of what you can do with this tool. And I also would like to show you these Black Moonshine Premiums from Knockaround. I think I was searching this website on my girlfriend's Google profile, and now I've logged in with mine, and it still wants me to buy them. But I think they're pretty cool. There's also some green ones maybe we'll see later on, which I would also like to purchase. So I'm going to show you some existing examples right now, and then we will see if we can't make our own. So this is something I looked up when I was checking it out. I want to learn more about spices, and so I came here to Natasha Frost 1's Spice Tips, and let's take a look at it. Now when you get into, you can search for anything. I just happened to search spices, and you saw there's a few options. So now we're going to come right in here and see what's going on. See, I failed this test. I didn't do my studying, and I didn't even know cardamom was on here. But you can make flashcards. You can learn. You can spell. You can do a test. I got an 80%, just like high school. You can match, and you can do this cool gravity thing. I don't know how to play gravity, but I want to. But I'll show it to you later, maybe sort of as a treat if you watch the whole thing. So flashcards. You've got your image, you've got your, well, that's kind of neat. You got your image, you got your words, you can have it read to you.
Look like large, rough, brown peppercorns ground. Tastes like a blend of cinnamon, cloves, and
Not the best.
Look like large,
Oh no.
rough,
Okay,
brown
let's get out of here.
peppercorns ground. Tastes like a blend of cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. Suggested
stop.
uses: fruits, quick breads, and spice
So
cookies.
it's allspice is the answer. Okay, excellent. Next. Yep. You can't see it because my recording is too small, but there's a green arrow right down here. This is rapidly getting away from us. So anyhow, as you can see, I'm not doing anything. It's just playing at this point way too fast. You can adjust the preferences. You can use the arrow keys. That's what you want. So you want to use the arrow keys. You can go left to right. You can see over here we've got our progress. I'm hitting right on the arrow key, and there we are. That's that cardamom stuff I was telling you about. I know it now, but not at test time I didn't. So kind of cool. Let's go back and see what else Natasha Frost 1 has for us. Let's see what this learn is all about. Okay, so sort of like a mini quiz it seems, because I can say I don't know, or I can give it an answer. Okay, I did not put in coriander, but I got it correct. So I will copy coriander, and now I'm learning. Excellent. One incorrect. Oh, I didn't type in an answer. Okay. This one, I forget. I got it right on the test. Mace. See, who would think of that? So now you see the learning. I'm actually forced to type in what the answer was, so I can guess what the answer is. And if I guess it, great. I'm moving on. Just like the learning machine we learned about from B.F. Skinner. But if I do not know, then it will tell me. Now this one I got on the quiz. I got this one right, except it was a matching section, and I think I used process of elimination. I don't recall. I don't want to waste your time. Cloves. Yeah. Yeah. So pretty cool. Pretty cool learning section by Natasha. Spell. I don't feel we need to get into that. No.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Nailed it.
Chili powder.
No. So, a lot of different things that Natasha has done. This is her test. I'll just show you. So we've got the written questions, we've got the matching questions, and then there are some multiple choice questions as well. Um, this is saffron. I got this one wrong because it's strong celery flavor, and I was like, well, it couldn't possibly be celery, but it is. And then you get some true false. So a lot of different things you can do. And we'll save this for the end, guys. Okay, so let's see what we can do with Quizlet. Let's learn about polar seltzer waters. No, that's foolish, but we're committed now. I'm not recording this twice. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So I want everyone to be able to see this. I want everyone to learn about polar seltzer waters, coming straight out of Mass, much like myself. Cranberry lime right now. I got one going on. Excuse me. So, cranberry lime is obviously the best. And then the orange vanilla is a real close second. I'll probably, yep, excellent. I don't want to auto define. I don't. Let's just see. Okay, that's not what we're into right now. So we're not going to add an image right now. But you see, you can add an image. They've got some here for you, or you can certainly upload your own by spending $20 a year. So there's something to know about Quizlet. Okay, no picture, no thank you. Uh, the black cherry, oh my gosh. The black cherry is actually right out because it makes my girlfriend's mouth tingle in a non-pleasurable way. So we don't allow this black cherry in the home. I have had, well, there's summer flavors. Those are always delicious and fun, but they are seasonal. So I'll say seasonal, delicious, and fun. And then for our final term, the old standby, pomegranate. I don't know that I spelled pomegranate right. You figure for the standby, I'd know how to spell it. Excuse me. Okay, so that's great. Now, what do I want to do? I can flip the terms and defs. Boom. Pretty handy. There's some keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so that's cool. And it knows I'm on the old Mac here. Pretty neat. I like to make the text bold. Let's see if that works. All right. That is my new study set. I'm going to go ahead and create it. All right, I've created my set. Now I can share it on Twitter. I can share it on Facebook. I can put it in my class or my folder, or I can send it to you guys, but you're going to see the video, so I'm just going to X out of this. Excellent. Oh, look at that. Boom. Okay. Now we're going to come in here. I don't know that we need to create anything for flashcards. I imagine they're created for us. Obviously the best. What is it, guys? Cranberry lime. Of course it is. These are the ones I want to get right here. The black green moonshine. Not this purple stuff. I can't scroll down right now. These ones were appealing to me as well because I like the gray and the blue, but I think the black is just going to be a little more cool. This is not powerful enough. This is where the power resides. Real close second, as you remember, the bolded orange van. Now, these are in order, I guess, so maybe I can go ahead and shuffle them up. Yeah, black cherry, that's right out. Yep. Sorry if I'm going too fast there. I'm using the right arrows again, the left arrows. You can see my progress bar there on your left. And then the up and down, you can flip them. It's kind of interesting, they only flip the one way. You know what I mean? They're not rotating. Or that's what it seems like anyhow. Okay, so cool. Now, can I create my test? Because I would like... Oh, it just does it for you. Well, that is cool, I guess, but I would like to edit this test. Because what if I want to change some things up? Edit. Okay. Now I can add more. So basically, it seems like it's mostly for terms, matching, and things like that. Um, but it's pretty cool. It seems pretty user friendly, and it saves. I didn't say save Natasha Frost. It just knows that I checked her out and did her test. So that's pretty cool too. You know, so as long as you stumble on something, it's your little breadcrumbs. So it's already been nearly 11 minutes here, and I don't want to bore you. I tried to make it a little interesting just by being weird. Um, I wish I could figure out. Oh yeah, this is always crucial. The zebra, I caught my eye first. He's super cute, but yeah, go with your gut. I would really like to edit my test, but again, we could always spend more time on this and figure out exactly how to make changes. This is just to give you a general overview of the old Quizlet. So now, as a treat, I know you've all been hanging on the edge of your seat for this and putting, oh, hey, Natasha, nice dress. I don't really want all this. This seems beyond me. I would just like to do the gravity quiz. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. All right. Quizlet. Okay. Spices. Whew, scary. All right, guys. Check this out. Protect the planets from incoming asteroids. But how, Quizlet? How do I do it? I'm going to go hard because I'm pretty good at video games and I've already taken the test. But I don't know. Okay. All right, hit me. Type my answer. Maybe Natasha didn't say. Oh, see, what am I supposed to type? The definition? I don't. I have a much better chance. Because I bet it set it up itself. Let me see. I want to start with the definition, and I will type cardamom in blow everybody's mind live. Let's go. I will not. I will not miss a term twice. Okay. Pastries. Oh, we just looked at that, guys. That's not cloves. That's nutmeg. That's not nutmeg. I nailed it. Celery seed. Nope. Dill plant. Nope. Okay, hard may have been nutmeg one time. No. Cumin. But look, again, just to make it educational, bring it all back, it is telling me, it's giving me an opportunity to write it up. So that's cool. Oh, the dill seed. Okay, I guess it's time to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great evening.